on fire.
That'd be the best.
Well, if we were going through Sandy, we could have got food carts.
But we're not.
We are not going to.
I know, I just said if we were.
Wait, but let's turn around.
You guys are so rude.
The group has been making fun of me for my shoes. And I don't know why, because Alyssa has a very nice pair of shoes. Benji has a pair of trail runners, which are pretty good.
Oh, pretty good. These are the best.
Jack has heavy duty, very nice shoes. I think even Maya has, wait, does Maya have booties?
He does have.
Maya has booties for going on the trail. And I have my Nike Cortezes white. So, very good look on my part. And I think I'm the best dressed out of everyone here, honestly.
Do you have
So,
charger wire?
here we go. He's got the real setup. He's got a fishing rod, fly fishing. He's got his backpack. Does not have a hammock though. What is he doing without the hammock? I don't know. All right. So this is my pack setup thanks to Alyssa and Jack. You got the Osprey bag, the little water thing. Is that? I'll get it working eventually. Got the K-bar knife. Got me a puffer. The sleeping bag, the backpack. I'm ready to go. No, I'm not sweating at all. I can go for another 4 hours if I need to. No, we just started. All I know are these Cortezes are kicking ass. Woo! Morale is low. Talked to a guy about 2 miles ago. He said about 900 feet will be at the top. That was a fun lie. I am tired. I am thirsty. I have some water, but my legs are just so tired. By myself. Benji went on ahead. He's a hunter, so he's used to it. Jack is having shitting problems with the Mexican we got before. Alyssa's sticking with them. My legs are dirty. I cannot wait to get to this lake. Yeah, taking a rest here right now. Wish me luck. Update. Still all by myself. Was told to meet at Bays Lake. Figured out what that was. It's over here. Lost everybody. The past 45 minutes. I've been alone. I am so done walking and hiking. I just want to set up camp. And I can't find a person. So, Benji, where'd you go off to? Jack and Alyssa, I know you're behind us a little bit. Where the fuck are you, Benj? I'm yelling your name out loud. Don't know where you are. So hopefully I'll find you soon. Here's the next update. Found everybody. It was a shit show, but we made it out in the end. We are setting all our stuff up. I am sore as hell. Their tent looks awesome. And we have a pretty good spot. So yeah. The competition is rock throwing. We each get 3 throws. Whoever throws the best wins, and whoever
doesn't throw the best doesn't win.
Should we put some stakes on it?
Yeah, like This rock, I named it Patrick Star Rock because it kind of looks like Patrick Star's home, but it's not actually because it's just a rock. Okay, and it's a boulder. But watch this anyways. Big skips.
What was it for?
Big skips only.
That's just a rock. Alright, sure.
Clunk.
1, 2,
4.
3, 4. You got 4? With a rock? Wow, that is impressive. Damn.
It's tied for first.
Look at this kid. Can't even
All right.
find a rock.
You ready? It's my rock, relatively flat. Best I can find this time together. I don't need a good score right now. I just need to beat you guys.
Ooh, lefty.
You got this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Your head was in the way, it doesn't count. Alright, let's not focus on that skip, let's focus on the beautiful view at hand. So apparently boulders aren't allowed out here, so we do rocks. See that mountain up there? Look.
Yeah.
That's where this is gonna land. You ready?
Ready. 2.
I thought you just nailed her in the head.
All right.
I told you it landed on the mountain. You didn't get to see the other 10 skips
You're
because it's up on the
losing.
mountain.
Must have a porous basalt rock. Throw up my arm.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
It curved a little. Does that get a little extra credit?
That's actually rookie. A rock. I think that's a fossil.
This
Actually, I see a
is
fish in
going
there.
Scared to do.
far.
That's actually illegal.
Right? My head's not gonna get in the way, right?
Oh no.
Into a head.
It's not gonna go far enough.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I don't know what that
Wow.
was.
That
That
was
was at least
all
7.
the dog. That was the
8.
dog
Let's
splashing.
give that 8.
There was no rock in it.
7.
Damn.
Thank you. Thank you. I know you guys
You
doubted
guys
me,
won.
but I got it. I got
Yeah,
this
I
in
never
the bag.
doubted you.
Alyssa found a flat one.
I don't need a flat rock. I can use a triangle and it'll skip further than you
How much confidence do you have in yourself, Benji?
Much confidence as a rock can have in itself. Rocks aren't alive, so 0 out of 0, which is 100%. I passed. All right, let's get it.
Alright, last throw. Oh, there it goes. Three.
If you look at those are like mega jumps.
Oh. That's it? Let's see it. Ooh, that's a good one. That's a very good one.
Gotta be 8.
That'll be 8.
Another doggo.
2, 3.
That was a fatty jump.
Bye.
So
Knob Creek.
Mitchell. Oh, that's so cute.
You see, it's just.
Alright, so here's the situation. Alyssa and Jack went off by themselves into the woods. Who knows doing what. But eventually they went on this high point and they looked out and they saw a big ass forest fire and it looked like the wind was blowing this way. So we're gonna go check that out and judge whether or not we're gonna die tonight. So wish us luck.
Back.
So that's the wildfire
Yeah.
here.
way worse than when we were up there.
Really?
Alright, so here's the update. Benji's gonna go get service, see what information he can find out. Hopefully he score the Blazer game. If not, he'll call the park ranger and see if we're actually in danger. We have a six mile hike back. My feet are blistered. Just looking forward to this sleep. I'm glad I got a little bit of rest beforehand. And yeah, a little scary. Heart's pumping, but we're good. Alright, so here's the next update. We have packed up. We are getting ready to go. It is going to be night. We are definitely hiking with our headlamps, but we're nearly packed up. So things are looking good. It's gonna be a story to tell, that's for sure.
Oh, yeah.
For the sign.
You could probably.
Okay, ready?
It looks small,
Hello. Oh yeah.
And we're off. Goodbye, campsite. You treated us well. It's a good spot. Now it's time to move on, and the adventure begins. Ben, do you know what time it is?
What time is it? Headlamp time.
It's headlamp time, baby. We are, I'd hate to say 2 miles, but I think we're making pretty good time. So, I am confident that we'll make it to the car by the end of the night. Alright, we need Benji's expertise. Benji, we need you.
What?
I'm saying that's a bear shit. I'm saying a bear had a small meal that day, and that's the bear shit.
Right here.
See the berries?
100% bear. But that's not that fresh. That's like, I mean, relatively not that fresh. That's like this morning or last night. Hey Jack, I left a bit of honey back at camp.
Alright, we're turning around.
About a mile ago it was about 2 miles,
smaller
now it's about
land?
2 miles again.
Me too.
Thought we were almost done, but we're not. We haven't seen the sign yet, so that's a little disappointing.
Bear Creek sign.
All right. You ready?
Turn that baby off.
I like it.
It's dark as a motherfucker.
That's scary.
Cool.
All right. No headlamps for the rest of the trail?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Mitchell, Cortez is up for it.
Looking at. Maya, come here.
Nothing.
Cool. What was that?
What?
Maybe it's just my imagination. That, you hear that?
Yeah.
Is that her bark?
No.
Oh, we're here. Thank the Lord. Oh my God, just when I get freaked out. Oh, there's horses here. Makes sense.
Oh, that scared me.
Oh, we finally made it. We made it. Woo-hoo. All right, everyone took off as quickly as possible once we finally arrived at Jack's house. I think everyone's exhausted, and so am I. I'm ready to go. I'm not complaining. And we're on our way.